Anjo World, I already been there with my ex.
Mag-ano lang kami tawag dito, island hopping.
Yeah, we're gonna do island hopping. Oh my god, I'm so excited for that.
My God, is this my red lashes? Oh yeah, oh my God. Ba't ko naban si Ate Bel? Kaka-what the fuck ko, guys. Naban ako. Ay, feeling ko nga, dahil yun sa ARF-ARF ko eh.
Si Earth.
Kasi may nag-send ng corgi. Tapos parang sabi ko na ARF-ARF ganyan. Bigla ko naban.
May leave na siya.
Umalis? Oh my
Yeah.
God, sir.
Don't
Guys,
care.
are we exposing cheaters, guys? Oh, no.
Guys.
Ayaw.
I'm so happy that they didn't say his name those comments. I was like, I would
Ba't ka po naban? Guys, naban ako sa live dahil sa mga curse words ko.
I told you so many times.
Akala ko joke lang yun. So, na-warningan na ako, tapos tinuloy ko pa rin.
Mauna.
Wala, excited talaga kang mag-island hopping.
Island hopping, but like Mactan is so far.
Bro, minsan lang yun.
You know how far it is?
Yeah.
They said it's 45 minutes.
Akala ko naman like mga hour yung biyahe, like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours.
45 minutes, almost an hour.
Ha? I know, pero like 1 or 2 hours. Baka may nag-report pa sa inyo. Hindi guys, kay nag-warning na yun. Winarningan na ako sa TikTok.
Kuhan ko na, mo report, magkapo na. Naay mo report.
Winarningan na ako, pero tinuloy ko pa rin na
Di,
paano ko.
naay mo report, and then if they see that you're actually doing it, then they're gonna ban you.
Oh, ito
But I
sa
told
kanila.
them to stop cursing. Hi,
Sabi
Summer.
Rar.
Like,
Sabi
yes,
ko sa
ma'am.
comments there. Sabi ko kasi, arf, arf, arf.
Hi, guys. Okay. Well,
Sorry guys, we don't spoke English.
so,
We don't spoke in English, guys. Sorry. We don't English. Hi guys, I love you all. Temporarily banned lang po. Yes guys, sa 30 makaka-live ako sa Tira.
well, if you don't change, you're gonna get permanently banned.
I know. Sorry na, huwag ka nang mag-alit. English lang daw, Dav. Kaya mo na to. You can do this.
God. Thank you for the hearts.
The heart. Thank you for the follow.
So bad. Nagalit po ata kasi ginawa niyo po ata.
Kaya nga, promise no, nag-arf-arf ako, tapos bigla lang siya na-stop. Yeah, sabi ko, arf! Grabe yung Mian pa siya. Who's Mian?
Rain. Grabe
Ay.
Rain. Shout out po, bro.
Ay! Sorry
Left
guys.
Naman.
Left naman okay na story time.
Guys, please don't expose names here.
Guys, never kayo mag-mention ng games, ng names. I swear to God, I'ma kill you all. Charot.
Literally bigla. Continue.
Mamamatay tao pala yun.
Anong detailed? I already said it earlier. Like, I was talking for like...
Hi, Abdul. Snapper guys. Snapper. Joke lang po. Maktal. Mas malayo ba yun sa Maktal?
That's in Lapu-Lapu. What are you talking about?
Ang Maktal is in Lapu-Lapu?
I'm pretty sure.
Grabe po energy ni Bel, kaya enjoy talaga. Ako pilot sa Imocod M at the Bel Chan. Guys, message me guys if you want to borrow my code M account. Bawal lang i-hack. Yes. Okay, no one's watching ng video. Okay, should we start na? Charot. Ayaw guys. Ayaw ba? Pilitin nyo niyo muna ako. She Capital. Aba,